How to stop getting delayed notification on iPhone. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Notifications firstly, and then tap on Scheduled Summary. Make sure the toggle button for Scheduled Summary is toggled off. This feature groups non-urgent notification and delivers them at a specific time, leading to delaying in notification. Go back to Settings and now tap on Focus and make sure Do Not Disturb mode is not enabled in your device, as Do Not Disturb mode blocks certain notifications from coming through whenever it is enabled. So make sure Do Not Disturb mode is not enabled. If you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, then you can customize which apps are blocked and which notifications are allowed. Next, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is good. If not, click on the info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to and tap on Forget this network option and rejoin again. Now tap on Notifications again and manually choose the notification settings for each and every app for your preference. Allow notifications for the app you want notification for, and disallow notifications from the app you do not want notification from. And lastly, tap on General and then on Software Update. The latest version is crucial to maintaining optimal performance of your iPhone, and it can also resolve notification delay issues as Apple regularly releases updates that addresses the bugs and improve overall functionality. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.